I will attack a music career, yeah. Like, investor no Ilan.
But who are investor?
Probably he doesn't have that much motivation.
Yeah.
And so I would tell us area and sound the Pigolur. Can you come on? No. I can have Sano Malu. I only agree.
Hey guys, we are back again at Hive Explores. Yeah. We are on Kuzion. So we are about to review Ataaka'S show that's happened last week, right?
Yeah.
That's like as Accra.
Accra.
Yeah, mommy. Drachang fin yala. Oh, to me, Drachang fin yala. Mama Banda show madam Drachang fin yala. That was how it went. So me gentlemen won't review me share. So that's what we are about to dive into.
Okay, yeah.
So my name is Fredo and
the man himself, Active Media.
And I'm Sparta.
Yeah, mommy. Ataaka'S is one of the legends we have in the music industry. Yeah, so what among show can successful shaman, you have to talk about it. I understand.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say about the show?
The show was okay.
Yeah.
Oshuma on that chair. I think he did it at Bukumbo Arena, right?
Yeah.
No Akoda. And I think it's actually his first time having a show there, if I'm not mistaken. And then the number was huge. The number was okay. And in Miami, boys my brother Biane. No boys my, before even show my man, but don't demon guy my fedos. But I come by some misunderstanding about beef. So because of that, was an example show man, just to let the fans know that I have so the show was okay, so it was fine.
The show was okay, man. The show was well packed. Like look at shoot
Okay, well, it was okay.
Oh.
It was okay. The show was okay. When you say something is okay, basically we are trying to tell you that they not even chill out too much, but it's okay, moderate. Like
Yeah.
So didn't
It was normal.
It was normal.
Not exceptional.
Oh, to me it was exceptional. Considering that's his first time there. Understand?
So the fact that it's his first time doesn't mean that you should say maybe
that should even give them more reason to come to the show, because maybe so them coming there, that will give them more reason to come there.
Yeah. 2 minutes ago, I tell online Baron Autos. Abang la so kuhare luro numa and talk about talk the deals. I don't go no people kurguma channel. Ataaka. What you mate show? So go tenting you.
But then you Ataaka better Baron Autos after show mauna. If truly or Baron or Daluru no never salute that, to be honest with you.
Bozoka and Ataaka never salute.
Ataka never salute.
Ataaka salute.
Bozoka salute though.
Oh, salute.
So let me explain. Let me tell you why he's not supposed to get a car this time.
Right.
You get it? Of your issue, the whole of Ataaka music career. You get it? You go you chance unless of course he wants to give up in music. But if only he still has a long way to go, Ataaka never salute that glory. One, because Ataaka is only known in Tamale. You get it, and he has a lot of work to do when it comes to music, because trust me, Ataaka has a lot of featuring to do for people to even get to know him more. You understand? Ataaka cannot even stage show Borgatanga. These are very close places that Ataaka cannot even stage a show. So you understand? So to make money, to take your 400,000 Ghana cedi, 300,000 Ghana cedi, you have a lot to invest in the music. Ideally, that's how, as an artist, learn to know.
So you're trying to tell us it's a financial mistake there.
There's a financial. I don't know his advice about.
No, but there's not a financial mistake, because first of all, in our previous episodes, you are always here condemning the artists, somebody artists that they don't brand themselves. Okay. So right now, Ataaka is buying a car to brand himself. Or in brand because you wouldn't be happy seeing Ataaka on a motorbike on the road. I don't feel it.
Yeah.
Or forget about those featuring and all those stuff. That one there is self-what? It's self-staffs. You cannot, you
don't get it. The parent whom on you now the thing is, it's good to actually brand yourself, right? But then Besha comes out at the time. I am passion. Let me finish. Don't interject when I'm talking. So Besha comes out I am passion. Can I brand that man? You get it? So the Malakama as an artist, fine. In Yilama, maybe I'm not making more money from the streams. Apanya a lot of streams running, featuring Kanna, Bubukra show number, and all these things. There's a travel. So when you go to use your 400,000 Ghana cedi, 500,000 Ghana cedi, there's no problem because at the end of the year, annually, you are actually making money from the streams, right? Mm-hmm. So that's how, as an artist, consider. But you don't just go to Ankara and to sell tissue. I'll show my consideration, brother. Now, could you more usually man come and consider you show my chama, show you a yellow. You get it, I'll show you a man. Katon Chambaron Otus, 9 kilo pro, or Zamukuna, until do less than 1 year.
It's
so it's
our own bed dealership play.
Yes, somewhere he should pray that Kariya maybe Okucha was well. But if in the end Kariya Ataaka'S take say Luri from Baron Otu, it's a very big mistake. I don't know whoever that is advising the young man.
I yell at them.
Okay.
I know it's a financial mistake. Where music konye ben sharan trata kalaya.
Is he investing in his music career?
Listen. Where yila konye ben sharan trata kalaya. Listen.
Okay.
Listen.
You interject.
Ataaka'S no zonje Ataaka'S no be industry man close to 15 years. Right? No me makasi no me gada fast gada no. Makasi mala lure Dubai. Wekala. Kagada malure. Ataaka'S black trio money, black trio money, won't naka lure man. I understand ya. Onyo lure chan maybe allegedly chan with the pigo lure. No na salure zero. Maybe cause you la man black go to me and lure.
My problem is that
you understand what I'm saying?
But you should get me right here. I don't want people to feel like maybe people understand man. The thing is, Ataaka'S might have his own source of making money.
Yes.
That's fine.
Yes.
He's an artist. I know him to be a musician. Is that not it? Now, we are all there. We are the fans. We are even gatekeepers. Now, we monitor every single artist, industry, man. And we know our promotions in the I'm invested in a music career. And the truth of the matter is that there's no need for me to pamper anyone here. The truth is that Ataaka'S, you and I all know, Bulako invested in on that year album, Nakano North to the World first. I was one of the people who actually went to Facebook and commented the Bukaye album, looking at the kind of artist Shaban B, album, song list on Fishy Shama. You know, the channel Oshale. North to the world, the channel Oshale, album Belenda, the Ragoton be shout. You see, so he needs an advisor. So Ataaka'S don't allow to Daluri and all that. I'm saying he's not supposed to buy a car because looking at the whole Ataaka'S, I can say that.
Listen.
I can say that.
Saying his music is not going anywhere.
Yes.
I understand it. Me azami kama Ataaka'S tinja zanyo Ataaka'S di bunyar la yilamani bikala.
Oh, I know when you're la.
Oh, it's facts.
So, but
Ataaka'S don't know the shoot. Don't even know the shoot.
we should take steps.
He doesn't release music like that.
So why is
I understand.
so when you're
So my ramya like nukutoshi ka wono on chat dalurma financial mistake niya. Korintonya lasa present chat dalurma ka yilamani kunyale.
so where do you
Understand that? And probably he doesn't have that mindset to invest in his craft.
listen?
I understand.
Man.
Mistake.
It's a mistake because listen to me, woman. I'm not actually talking about Ataaka'S having another source of my problem is that Ataaka'S shop my tissue and now Katinyo Baron Otus. Whether or in that load you with that, but in the end, then can you know that load, I will assume that show of shop to catch the load, and even show map of shop to catch the load is a mistake. Considering that la shall own your show man, we're not to invest in all you learn.
Listen, you need a shoe marriage.
Yes.
That the Woram the Kama own non shuma or in your last man. We have to wait and see the type of car he's going
to buy.
And probably last year my lad go to the lalu.
I don't know pick on the Kunda. They say that. Okay, we're even saying that you need the artists what to brand what themselves. Understandable. So I know on a chain Lurma double. Can I say on features?
Okay.
Imagine Kocha not a feature come like Kwame Eugene, come Balomo channel. How like it wouldn't like
you know what you're actually saying cannot be it's not even
it's not possible. But the way own brand no, this guy is serious.
Listen to me. So let me tell you one thing.
Okay.
Even in South, in Accra, there are artists who are there now to carry Oriental Luru over 5 good years, but you and I wouldn't know. Now, what is it? I always tell artists that apply the law of attraction. How do you apply law of attraction? In short, the way you package yourself, You understand it? The composure and everything. People wouldn't know. You get it? Eh? So it is the way you present yourself to the people, the audience not out there. Man. How come
Why Ataka no rent him low?
So imagine renting car every time.
Let me finish.
I get Ataka no rent him low.
You are actually interjecting. How will people get me clearly? Right now, even if Ataka starts renting cars, Ataka no rent low. In the end, Kariela only shall audience and the low. If it's a music career, man, you understand it? So that Abdane cannot profitable than two. You understand? So that you'll be able to make more money from the stream. It's not bad. It's not bad to rent cars too. As an artist, it's not bad.
And it's bad to rent cars. I understand that. But if you have the money to actually purchase the car, why not purchase it?
So you have the money to purchase a car and you don't have the money to promote your music or invest in your
That's what I'm saying. And you attack a music career, yeah. Like, investor no,
but who will investor?
Probably he doesn't have that much motivation.
Yeah.
And so I would tell last area and sound can you come on? No. I
only agree with Ataka. Well, listen, I'll only agree with Ataka to purchase a car. If only Ataka tells me that, okay, I'm actually giving up on music. That's fine. If only he still has dreams. You understand, a woman? He still wants to see himself somewhere.
Listen,
in the next 2, 3, 4 years. I'll have a very big time.
Listen. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay,
don't go for recently attack maybe when you last year don't go to the lure.
How do you know? Streams. How can make streams? They all go with the shoes.
Okay.
Let's say you are going to earn 300,000, 3 billion, pay 400, pay 4 billion. Donc, to the lure.
Allah.
Kan arma kan yara like unknown project shaga to the lure.
So don't go to them.
Understand? So the uram no kama kan yila ma no ko nyamzira.
So
understand? Listen. Maybe he's doing the music as a hobby. Maybe right now he's doing it for fun. You and I, you are industry, man.
You are permanent.
Salary time, man. I understand ya. Salary time. So maybe on the business, shall the year laratuna. Maybe go on your dela pahila man, yeah, or chanta lure.
Okay, so the only
understand what I'm saying.
So the only
kaya kama munchelo mada o kazang la lasha. Onzi wahala nyama and promote yila.
And to look on points on. I like was not investing no year. And I invest no year. Let's just say around here, they all depend on streams and that kind of stuff. It doesn't give money you, but when you have a lot of streams, man. When you have a lot of shows and that kind of stuff. When show, Trentaka music at the show,
okay.
It's all parts of what? Of the branding and it's all parts of what? The pushing of my own music.
Okay.
I
get you right. I get you. I'm not arguing. What you are saying is not arguable. Now, this is it. There are so many ways an artist can actually brand themselves. Branding basically shouldn't be about you owning a car, right? When we say branding, we've been talking about this, I mean, so many times.
Yeah.
Basically, it's just something to make you unique, outstanding from others. That is just the brand.
Yeah. We are talking about the car.
Now, listen to me, woman. Today we are talking about the car. And I'm telling you that, listen. I'm telling you guys that the steps Ataaka is actually taking, man, to buy a car, man, cannot be station on be man. It's wrong. That is what I'm telling. Even listen, let me finish. How Ataaka is you one-on-one? I don't know whoever that is advising that young man from those days. 15 years, man. Whoever that was advising him from day one, man. Ataaka. Ataaka na salary dawo. Okay, no pamper ba.
Ataaka is legend. I'm not listening.
Who told you to not Ataaka na salary dawo?
Oh, big legend.
Listen, what are you doing? Listen, woman. Listen, this.
It's a legend.
Who is a legend? Listen, former. Who is a legend? In your own way.
In my own ways, and my own definition. Legend means also come like you come like industry ma puni. Talk about the music legend. When you industry ma puni, then well known. Like pass my definition of legend and Balama Agas. And Ataaka is a definition of
Ataaka is a legend. So listen, woman.
Those time
legend. Listen to me. So listen.
We all agree that we all understand that they are the pioneers of the new school. La Makasio fans Ataaka. So in it will be right for us to call them legends.
No, you will not call them legends.
What's the definition of a legend? What's the definition?
Yeah.
So, I would disagree with you to call Ataaka a legend.
No, I'm definition.
Makasio and fans together.
Makasio and fans together.
So I think Makasio. I can call a fans a legend.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, because to call someone a legend, someone who is famous, well known, you understand, who has done extraordinary things in the field of whatever that they are doing, right? And I can give you an example of legends. You don't just go to see Ataaka and call him. Let me finish. You don't just go to see Ataaka. The fact that you love Ataaka, then you start calling him a legend. What do you mean? You are just decorating these guys. You are just pampering them. Because the opera will be a legend in you.
Extraordinary things.
Listen, extraordinary Ataaka now. Fans get them extraordinary chances are million. Fans get them extraordinary.
Listen, Ataaka has done
what is that extraordinary thing that Ataaka has done?
Listen, they are the pioneers of the music we have today. Is that an achievement or not?
It's an achievement.
To you, is that an achievement?
It's an achievement.
So you are saying it's not enough to call them legend.
Come on, woman.
You are saying it's not enough. Listen. Veteran Shabakabakube industry man. What have they done for the industry?
Sharif Gali.
Apart from like
Woman, well, listen.
You understand what
Sharif Gali is a legend.
Mm-hmm.
Sharif Gali, he's a legend. And I thought,
Abu Sadiq.
And I can walk you through my reasons. Abu Sadiq is a legend. Sharif Gali is a legend. Listen to me. Let me finish. Listen, you are intercepting. Don't help me mention it. Listen. Don't help me mention it. Listen to me.
Mr. Razak.
Oh.
Mr. Razak.
You are interjecting too much. You actually just want to, Charlie. I am telling you that, Sharifa Tugunu is a legend. Sharifa Tugunu happens to be one of the first female artists. So, Mujina Dagbang and Zangina Zampalo Sholompama, Sharifa Tugunu. It's not arguable. The Nigerian things Sharifa Tugunu has done in the music industry from Dagbang is unprecedented. No, if you can challenge me. Sharifa Tugunu number Yasha is unprecedented. Sharif Gali number Yasha is unprecedented. From the reggae and everything, Sharif Gali. Listen, let me finish. Sharif Gali number Yasha is unprecedented.
Abu Sadiq.
You know the Bina Banana Dagbang.
Abu Sadiq.
You get me? So when you have the
Abu Sadiq.
Papa Ataaka,
Abu Sadiq. What is Abu Sadiq?
I want to consider him as legend.
No,
consider him. I'm going to consider him as legend. I'm going to legend.
Abu Sadiq legend.
Would you? I'll come and answer your question.
No. Ask you a question. Would you call him a legend or not?
Abu Sadiq.
Yes.
How would you call Abu Sadiq?
A legend. A legend.
He's a legend.
Mr. Razak.
He's a legend.
So mention their contribution.
So unkana woman. Na yele to actually. Where can you look consider mama?
You don't consider baba because
my point is argument familiar. My point is you cannot go anywhere in Ghana to sit on a platform and then tell me that I am considering Sharifa Tugunu as a legend. Person. You cannot say we are considering Sharif Gali as a legend. You cannot tell me that we are considering Sharifa Tugunu as a legend because what these two people have done in the music industry.
So the rest are not legends.
No, Sharif Gali.
The rest are not legends.
For the sake of time, I'm just actually trying to summarize.
Ask you a question. So the rest are not legends. So the rest are not legends. To you.
Uma.
To you, not a legend.
Kawastone is a legend.
Abu Sadiq is not a legend.
Kawastone is a legend, bro. I mean, in your definition of legend, they are well known.
Yes.
Are we talking? In your definition, are you talking about like achievements?
Yeah, achievements should be there. No achievement extra.
I don't know if I'm wrong, but Sharif Gali, I was in my
let me walk you through Sharif Gali. Who is Sharif Gali? Right now, Uma, in the career of Sharif Gali, basically an award is an achievement, right? It's not even arguable. But can award come on your achievement? You understand? People, an achievement could be maybe like I'm not so famous. Come on, influence is that Shaba. Can I didn't get mistake, Sherman. Now also because I'm touching the
So how about an attack of an attack?
Sharif Gal. You are saying they are not impactful to the industry.
I'm not saying they're not impactful. That's what you're saying. Let me finish. Let me tell you my reason for not mentioning you. Let me tell my reason. Right?
No, you didn't mention them, but I mentioned them. And
let me finish. Listen.
And you discarded.
Let me finish. Oh no. That means you are listening to me. When you let me land, you are just interjecting. Oh, Charlie. That isn't simple. I was actually trying to summarize my whole point.
All right.
To mention blah 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 a list of names. I mean, it's actually going to prolong my whole point.
So I don't want you to summarize. We didn't say we want.
You want to tell me what to do.
I didn't say I wanted you to summarize.
See.
I mentioned even 4.
They are legends. They are legends. That's it. So legend. No. When you say Sokwanda, we're just pampering this guy. Dude, not pampering someone. Not pampering them. When you say you're pampering someone, what do you mean?
No, that word, man. What do you mean of pampering?
What do you mean of pampering?
No, you can't be.
Yeah, because you couldn't be shout. I couldn't be shout, but now zero. So now you can. I'm telling you that the actual truth is I Ataaka'S Ataaka'S come one way or the other. When it's only listen to me, don't interject. Ataaka'S come one way or the other when it comes to music. But to call him a legend is what I am saying no. Secondly, Ataaka'S so in here come on salary dago ono. Dinya Ataaka'S shiren zala la just the lori. Catch your music career. Ataaka'S is doing one of the biggest mistakes in his life.
What's wrong? What's wrong with his music?
It's a wrong way to go. What's the wrong way?
Yeah, so me Ataaka'S, so the Ataaka'S. If me Ataaka'S, check at the bottom comment section, man.
Boys, how come you feel that's when old man Banzuma a don't do? Don't do. Moko Jolo my highlights one more come. No, I'm gonna bless my bless. And I said, listen to me. Listen. You're not possible. No, Kala. Now listen. Let me finish. Listen. Let me finish.
Yama. So me finish me shout. $10 video, my kid. My wives are fine. Me too, my wives are fine. Ataaka'S is a legend. Ataaka'S is going to buy a car. Inshallah. Yeah. So drop your comments in the comment section. Yeah. Peace out. Yeah.